As many of you already know, the Ulster BOCES Solar Electric Car Team took second place in this year's Winston Solar Car Challenge. The challenge, that traveled from Fort Worth, Texas to Mendota Heights, Minnesota, was a year-long project that had students designing, engineering, building, and racing a roadworthy solar electric car.
There's a lot that goes into building a car. The welding, engineering, design, the CAD, the electrical, a little bit about aerodynamics, rolling resistance.
Every aspect of the car seemed to test students' knowledge, abilities, and fortitude.
Managing the team has definitely been the hardest thing so far because we're working with 3 or 4 different classes, and it's hard to get everyone working together on time and to make the flow of the project efficient.
I've helped out with the suspension in the back so that we can fit the single rear wheel. We've hit a couple problems, like the one wheel we were working on didn't hold enough weight as we were going to need, so we had to redesign a whole different type of wheel and rim.
Building a solar electric car from scratch requires that you know more than how to turn a wrench or understand the basic mechanics of a car.
Aside from the obvious technical stuff that I learned, there's been a lot of team building and a lot of teamwork, and you learn to communicate, make sure a project is flowing.
I'm getting real experience with the machines, and the CNC machines, and just general engineering and designing and problem solving. I actually want to go into this class next year, New Visions Engineering and Robotics, for the manufacturing aspect of it, and I think that'll get me quite ahead in gaining experience and opportunities to go forward in a machining career.
Ironically, students said the race wasn't all about winning.
The goal is to win, but the goal really at the moment is to finish and make sure we get down there and compete.
I mean, many of the kids, I heard them talking the other day, haven't even been on an airplane, so they're going to be flying to Texas. So, some of them might not have been out of the county. And here we are going into Texas and traveling on the road to Minneapolis, which I think is a very unique experience.
I'm really excited to drive the car, of course, and I think I'm just going to have a lot of fun with the rest of the team. And never been to Texas or that whole western area, so I'm excited to see that whole area.
Most viewed the challenge as an experience of a lifetime.
Everyone I tell about it says, "When you're building a solar car, that's the greatest thing ever." So I think it'll be a really cool thing to look back at. When I was 17, I made a solar car, and I said, "Oh, good people and good times."